Hey traders, Okana here again. I'm gonna quickly show you what happened after the video I shared. This video I shared this last night. If you remember, if you watched it, then you got probably some good winning trades today thanks to my lines. So the reason I'm showing you this just to show you that price action works, and it works very accurately, and that's what I'm intending to show you right now. A few trades that I've taken based on my analysis that I shared last night. So again, if you were in the Skype group or you're watching our channel, CommuniTraders-Live, then you would have copied the line, you would have done the same trades, and hopefully would have had some winning trades today as well. So again, I shared this trend line going down, making a triangle, and this upgoing trend line. And I mentioned in this video EURUSD market sentiment price action. I mentioned that price would even on Monday either break below and retrace back up to the trend line, and then either come back down, break the support, and you can trade thereafter, or come back up, break this trend line, and keep moving up. Or I also said that it would go up, so you can trade thereafter using the trend lines. And let's look what happened after a few hours after I uploaded this video. So this is the chart. This is how the charts look now. Remember, we were here. The price opened on this candle on Monday after I put up the video. Remember, the video was here before this line. Okay, so price opened here, it opened down here at support, rushed back up to fill up the gap, could not break this upgoing trend line, and it continued down, broke the support after 5 minutes here, and kept going down all the way to the next support. So my first trade was actually here. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, I will show you where exactly it was. So now that trend line was broken, I knew that price was going to go down. So as I also said in the video, trade thereafter, meaning use that analysis to trade. So now that you knew that price was going down, so in this case I didn't take it the first bounce, but then the second bounce when I saw this candle is trying to break. And I also use some currency correlation, which I will talk about in the upcoming webinar, live webinar tomorrow. So my expiry was on this candle 15 minutes later, this red candle here. So that was the first trade on EURUSD. And the second trade I just took actually based on this touch. So the same trend line, the same support resistance lines that I have had. So this support that I shared also in the video got broken, and then price came back to it today later on. And also the trend line, the same trend line I have used before, which I've traded on here as well. So once again, it held before it got crossed, and now it's again it's holding, but I got out the trade before it continued up, because I selected a low expiry because I was afraid it would move up, which it did. I think my trade ended here. Yeah, so after that it continued up, but regardless, I just wanted to show you that price action works. That's the whole point of the video, to show you that if you set up your targets correctly, price action works most of the times. So I want to show you another trade. Again, I'm going to talk about this in the webinar tomorrow. USD JPY I took the last night after this gap here. You see price opened here, closed below, dropped, and then retraced back up. So again, simple line, price action always works. Always works with a great success. Of course, again, it's not 100% thing, but it works with a great success. So If you're not in the Skype group, join us. CommuniTraders-Live is the name, and I always share analyzers like this, and you can use it. So as you can see, you could have traded the same lines, the same support trend lines. You could have traded them without me telling you anything, because all you needed was to learn how to draw these lines, copy the lines, and understand the same methods that I use for price action, and you could have done your own trading. You don't need someone to trade for you. You don't have to pay someone to trade for you. Okay, thanks for watching.